Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Jay Wang, the director of the Biomedical Imaging Center here at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. Welcome to week 3 of the ECSE Summer Best Practices series. Today's session is entitled Avatarized Online Course. In today's world of digital learning and communication, the ability to create high-quality videos quickly, affordably, and at scale has become incredibly valuable. Whether for teaching, outreach, collaboration, or advertisement, video has become a core part of how we share ideas and exchange information. We're fortunate today to hear from two of our computer science PhD students, MD Zabirul Islam and Motaleb Hossein Manik, who have been exploring exactly this space, taking my online medical imaging course as an initial example. They've been actively working with Synthesia, a leading AI-powered, avatar-based video-making platform to create educational video content, including avatar-based classrooms and course modules where virtual instructors deliver lectures in place of a live person. Their work offers a scalable and time-efficient way to produce consistent, high-quality teaching videos, especially useful for online education and global learners. So without further ado, let me turn it over to Zabir and Manik to walk you through the tools, the process, and the best practices they've discovered.
Thank you, Dr. Wang. Hello, everyone. I'm the Zabirul Islam, and I'm here with Motaleb Hossein Manik. We're both PhD students in the Department of Computer Science here at RPI. Today, we're excited to present a session on avatarized online course with a focus on how to create high-quality content using AI avatars. We've been working with Synthesia, a leading platform for AI-powered video generation. It allows users to turn a written script into a professional quality video using realistic avatars and voiceovers in over 140 languages without ever needing a camera, studio, or editing software. Our primary use case has been in education, building avatar-driven classroom videos and course lectures that can be delivered entirely by AI instructors. This approach makes it possible to create scalable, consistent, and accessible content for students worldwide. And because videos can be updated easily, it's ideal for evolving course materials and remote learning environments. But the potential goes beyond the classroom. Synthesia is also widely used for training, marketing, sales enablement, and internal communications by over 50,000 companies, including 90% of Fortune 100 firms. It's a platform that eliminates the usual trade off between time, cost, and quality, offering a 90% time savings over traditional video production methods and a significant reduction in cost per video, as demonstrated by companies like DuPont and Zoom. With built-in tools for collaboration, translation, screen recording, and even voice cloning, Synthesia enables anyone, technical or not, to prototype and produce video content in minutes. And for organizations with stricter needs, it also supports SCORM export for LMS, enterprise-grade security, and full brand customization. Today, we'll walk you through how we've used Synthesia to build any type of content, best practices for avatar-based delivery, and how you can leverage this tool to prototype videos quickly, whether for teaching, outreach, or communication. Let's dive in and explore how it all works. If you have any questions or need clarification, we will be happy to answer them at the end of the tutorial. Welcome to the home page of the Synthesia application. This is our main dashboard, the place where we can navigate through the entire platform. From the left-hand navigation menu, we can easily access templates to browse and start from a ready-made design, videos to view and manage all our projects, and assets to organize our media, avatars, and brand elements. From the home page, we can also create a new video with just a click. explore new templates, and discover product updates for fresh ideas. View the videos we have edited recently so we can quickly jump back in and see which videos are trending in our workspace. Let's start with the basics. To begin a new video, head to the upper right corner of the Synthesia homepage and click on New Video. You'll have a few options for how to get started. First, you can choose to start with a template. Templates give you a stylish and consistent layout for your video, making the process easier and faster. Use the tags on the left-hand panel to browse and select the best template for your specific use case. When you hover over a template, you'll see three options. Preview to see all available layout variations. Use template to start creating your video with that design. And create with AI, which lets the AI assistant help you build your video. Second, you can also start from a blank canvas if you prefer to build your video entirely from scratch. A few important limits to keep in mind. The maximum length for a Synthesia video is 250 minutes, and each video can include up to 50 scenes, with each scene lasting up to 5 minutes. Now let's talk about how to import a PowerPoint presentation into Synthesia. You can import up to 50 slides because each slide will be converted into its own scene. And remember, a Synthesia video can have a maximum of 50 scenes in total. To get started, click Import PowerPoint from the top menu of the Synthesia platform. During the import process, you will be given two options. First, enable text element editing. This will convert every text box in your PowerPoint into an editable text element within Synthesia. All other content on the slide becomes part of a static background. Second, convert speaker notes into script. This will copy each slide's speaker notes directly into the corresponding scene script. But keep in mind, to use this option, text element editing must be enabled first. Here are a few important requirements to keep in mind. The maximum file size for upload is 250 megabytes. Only .tpt and .pptx file formats are supported. And finally, your fonts must be embedded in the PowerPoint file to display correctly in Synthesia. Once your slides are imported, you'll be ready to edit, animate, and bring your presentation to life. Now, let's explore another way to create videos quickly using Synthesia's AI Video Assistant. This feature helps you turn a long, plain document into an engaging video, all in just a few minutes. Here's how it works. You can upload a file, paste a URL, write a prompt, or enter a script, and Synthesia will take care of the rest. To get started, choose your input type. For document dot, you can upload .ppt, .doc, or .txt files up to 50 megabytes in size. For URL, just paste a link to a publicly available web page with a content limit of 4,500 words. For prompt, provide a short idea or topic, and Synthesia will generate the content for you. For script, paste your full text here. Each paragraph will become a separate scene in the video. Next, select a template to define your video's layout and style. You can also choose a brand kit to automatically apply your logo, fonts, and colors, though this step is optional. Then, give the AI some guidance. You can specify objective. What's the goal or message of your video? Audience. Who are you creating this video for? Language. Which language should the video be in? Speaker. What kind of voice or persona should the avatar have? Tone. Should it sound formal, casual, enthusiastic, or professional? These fields are optional, but filling them in helps the AI tailor the video more accurately to your needs. Once everything is set, click Create Outline. Synthesia will then generate chapters and key points based on your content. You can review and adjust the title, description, chapter names, and main ideas before moving forward. And if needed, you can even click Add Chapter between sections to insert a new one. When you're happy with the outline, click Create Video. At this point, Synthesia's AI will generate the full script and scene layout for your video. If you like the result, go ahead and click Continue in Editor to make any final edits to the video content, whether it's adjusting scenes, updating visuals, or refining text. If the result isn't quite what you expected, don't worry. Click Edit Outline to update your objectives, audience, tone, or any other input. Then click Generate again to create a new version. Let's take a look at the Synthesia editor, the place where you fine-tune your video before generating it. First, at the top left corner of the editor, you'll find the video title. Click it to rename your project. Next to the title, you'll see a hamburger icon. Clicking it gives you access to several video settings, including Brand Kit. Apply your custom fonts, colors, and logos. Video size. Choose the aspect ratio that fits your platform. Duplicate video. Make a copy of your current video. Edit chapters. Adjust chapter names and content. Version history. See earlier versions of your video. Delete. Move your video to the trash if you no longer need it. Synthesia supports multiple aspect ratios, so you can tailor your video for different platforms. In the center of the editor, you'll find the scene view. Each Synthesia video is made up of multiple scenes connected by smooth transitions. To add a new scene, click the plus icon on the left panel. You'll be asked to choose a layout based on your current template. Inside each scene, you can add various elements like avatars, text, images, or even videos. Once added, you can control how each element enters or exits the scene. When animations are triggered either by time or by specific words in the script, this gives you full control over timing and visual flow. Finally, your script is the engine of the scene. This is where you assign the speaking avatar, choose their language and voice, and configure animation triggers so elements appear or move at just the right moment in sync with your narration. Now let's explore how to add and manage elements in your Synthesia video scenes. You can add avatars, text, shapes, images, videos, backgrounds, and much more, all to bring your content to life. At the top of the editor, you'll find the toolbar. This is your creative control panel where you can insert a wide range of elements onto your video canvas. Let's go over what you can add. Avatar. Choose a stock avatar from Synthesia's library or use your own custom avatar. All available avatars for your account can be found in your avatars page. Text. Add text boxes to display information clearly. Shapes. Insert visual elements like squares, circles, arrows, and more. Media. Add images, videos, GIFs, icons, logos, and Lottie animations to support your message. Captions. Display the script text on screen and style it as you like. Record. Insert screen recordings directly into your scene. Sometimes you'll want to lock elements in place so they don't move or shift while editing. Here's how to do that. To lock an element, select the element in the scene, right-click, and choose Lock from the drop-down menu. To unlock an element, Right-click the locked item and select Unlock. Locking is especially useful when working with layered or precisely aligned content. You have a few ways to select elements on your canvas. To select a single element, just click on it. To select multiple elements, hold down the Shift key and click each item. To select everything on the canvas, click anywhere and press Command plus A on Mac or Control plus A on Windows. If several elements overlap and you want to select a specific one, right-click anywhere on the canvas. Click on Select at the top of the menu. Hover over the list to highlight items in the scene. Then click on the element you want to work with. Let's talk about one of the most powerful features in Synthesia, the AI avatars. Our avatars represent a wide range of ethnicities, age groups, and speaking styles, allowing you to create realistic, relatable, and inclusive video content. To add an avatar to your scene, click the Avatar button in the toolbar at the top of the editor. Browse the available avatars in your plan or use the search bar to find a specific one. Once you've found the right one, click to add it directly to your canvas. You can also copy and paste avatars between scenes. Right-click on the avatar and choose Copy, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus C on Windows or Command plus C on Mac. Then go to your desired scene, right-click on the canvas and choose Paste, or use Ctrl plus V or Command plus V. This makes it easy to maintain visual consistency throughout your video. Once your avatar is on the canvas, click on it to open the Settings panel on the right side of the editor. In the Appearance section, you'll find several framing options. Full screen. This expands the avatar's bounding box to cover the entire canvas and centers it vertically and horizontally. Circle displays the avatar inside a circular frame. Box resets the avatar's frame to its default rectangular shape. Both the full screen and box options allow you to crop the avatar as needed for your layout. Let's take a closer look at how to replace an avatar in your Synthesia video. You can do this directly from the avatar section in the inspector panel. Here's how to replace an avatar in your scene. Click on the avatar in the canvas to select it. In the avatar section of the inspector panel on the right, click on the currently selected avatar. Browse through the avatars available in your plan or use the search bar to find a specific one. Click on the avatar you'd like to use as a replacement and it will instantly update on your canvas. After replacing an avatar, you'll see a toast notification at the bottom of the editor. Click Change All if you want to replace that same avatar across every scene in your video. Sometimes you may want your avatar to speak without appearing on screen. Here's how to do that. Click on the speaker pill in the script box. Then click the eye icon to toggle the avatar's visibility off. You can turn visibility back on at any time to bring the avatar back onto the canvas. Alternatively, you can simply delete the avatar from the canvas. The avatar's voice will still be used to deliver its assigned lines. However, keep in mind, if there are multiple avatars in the scene and you delete one, its lines won't automatically transfer to the remaining avatars. You'll need to reassign them manually. Let's talk about how to use spaces in your Synthesia scenes. Spaces are animated environments that place your avatar into a realistic background as if it were recorded in a real-life setting. They include subtle effects like depth of field, which helps your avatar blend naturally into the scene. Spaces can only be added to avatars that don't have a background image or video. To set a space for your avatar, click Add a Space in the editor. Choose from an animated environment, a solid color, or a gradient background. You can apply a space with any avatar framing option, whether it's box, full screen, or circle, and you'll always be able to adjust the opacity to match your design. If your avatar is set to box or full screen, you'll also have the option to customize the border radius, rounding the edges of the avatar's bounding box as needed. Let's go over how to add and customize text in your Synthesia scenes. Text is a powerful way to guide viewers, highlight key points, and enhance the clarity of your message. To add text to your scene, click the text button in the top toolbar. Choose from one of the available formats: Title 1, Title 2, Subtitle, Body, or Caption. Then drag and place the text box anywhere on your canvas. To style your text, first select it in the scene. Then use the right side menu to access all your styling options. You can adjust the font family, text size, and color. Text formatting like bold, italic, or underline. The alignment and position of the text within its canvas box. To change text color, open the color picker from the right side menu. You can choose from theme colors. These are pulled from your brand kit if one is applied, or base colors, the default Synthesia color palette. You can also add your own color using either HSL or hex codes and set the opacity to get the exact shade you want. If you want to apply a color change across your entire video, just click Change All after editing the color. Synthesia will automatically update all text elements using that original color to your new choice, keeping your video consistent and cohesive. Let's take a look at how to use shapes in your Synthesia video scenes. Shapes are simple yet powerful design elements that can help you structure your layout, highlight information, or add visual interest. To add a shape, click the shape icon in the top toolbar of the video editor. Choose the shape you want from the available options like squares, circles, arrows, and more. Drag and place the shape onto your scene exactly where you want it. Once your shape is on the canvas, click on it to open the right side settings panel. From here, you can fully customize the shape's appearance. Fill, change the fill color of the shape. Border, adjust the border color and thickness. Shadow, add a shadow to give the shape more depth and presence. Opacity, control how transparent or visible the shape appears. These settings give you creative flexibility to match your brand, message, or visual theme. Let's talk about how to bring your scenes to life using media elements in Synthesia. You can easily add images, videos, animated GIFs, icons, Lottie animations, and even brand logos, all directly into your video. To add media to your scene, click the media button in the top toolbar. Choose the type of media you'd like to insert, such as an image, video, GIF, icon, animation, or logo. Drag and place it onto your canvas exactly where you want it. It's that simple. Synthesia gives you access to a wide range of stock content to enhance your video without leaving the platform. Here's what's available: videos and images from Getty and Pixels, GIFs from Giphy, icons from Icons 8, and brand logos from BrandFetch. Let's explore how to use the library in Synthesia to manage and edit your media. To open your media collection, click on Library in the main menu. Here, you'll find all the images and videos you've previously uploaded. If you need new media, you have two upload options. Click Upload Media to add images or videos for use only in your current project, or click Upload Media to Library to store your content for use across all your future videos. When you select an image, the right-hand menu gives you several styling options. Replace the image with a new one. Adjust the image's opacity. Apply a blur filter. Add a border radius to round the corners, and even add a drop shadow for extra depth. For more advanced controls, click the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the image section. There, you'll see three layout options. Crop, trim the image to display only a specific portion. Contain, scale the image to fit within its frame without cropping. Cover, fill the entire frame, cropping the image if necessary. Let's walk through how to use the AI screen recorder in Synthesia. This tool helps you create professional quality screen recordings that are engaging, fully editable, and only take few minutes to produce. You can start a screen recording in two ways. If you want to add a screen recording to an existing video, simply open that video in the editor and click the record button in the top toolbar. To create a brand new Synthesia video, click the AI screen recorder extension from your browser's toolbar. Once you finish recording, your new video will automatically open in a new tab. Before you begin recording, you'll need to decide what part of your screen to capture. Your entire screen, a specific window, or a specific browser tab. You'll also be prompted to choose your audio settings, select a microphone if you want to record a voiceover, or choose no microphone if you prefer a silent screen recording. When you're recording your screen, you might need to hide sensitive or private information. That's where the blur tool comes in handy. To blur any content on your screen, simply click the blur button and select the areas you want to hide. And don't worry, if you don't need to blur anything right away, you can still access the blur tool while recording. It's always available during your session. Keep in mind, the AI screen recorder supports recordings up to 60 minutes long. However, for smoother transcription and easier editing, it's best to keep your recordings under 30 minutes. Let's go over the main control buttons you'll see during your screen recording session. Discard. Click this to cancel and delete the current recording. Restart. Start the entire recording process from the beginning. Pause. Temporarily pause your session. This is especially useful if you need to blur something on screen. Just pause, apply the blur, and then resume. Continue recording from where you left off. Blur. Click anytime during your session to select and blur specific elements. Done. Press this when you finish to end your recording and return to the editor. Hide Show. Click the small chevron arrow to minimize or expand the screen recorder interface. Let's walk through how to use the script box, the core feature that brings your text to life with voice and personality. To begin, simply type or paste your script into the script box. This is where your written content is transformed into text-to-speech, giving your video a voice. Each scene in Synthesia can support up to 5 minutes of script content. Once your script is in place, you can set the speaker and voice for each line by using the speaker pill on the left side of the script box. If you have more than one avatar in your scene, click on the left side of the speaker pill to choose who will speak that specific line. Inside the speaker selection menu, you'll see a few useful options. Click the eye icon to toggle avatar visibility. This allows the voice to play without showing the avatar on screen. Click plus new speaker to select a new avatar and automatically add them to your scene. To choose a different voice or language, click on the right side of the speaker pill. A list of voices matching your selected language and accent will appear. Preview each voice by clicking the play button next to it. When you find one that fits, click to select it. Now let's explore some additional script actions you can use to fine-tune your video's speech delivery, including pauses and pronunciation adjustments. To access all available script actions, simply right-click anywhere inside the script box. This will open a context menu with powerful tools to help you control pacing, tone, and pronunciation. Pauses are great for adjusting the rhythm and emotional tone of your narration. Here's how to add a pause. Place your text cursor where you'd like the pause to go. Then either right-click and select Pause from the menu, or click the pause button at the top left of the script box. You can set the pause duration to anything between 0.1 seconds and 300 seconds. The default is 1 second. You can even drag and drop pauses to different positions in your script. And if needed, you can copy and paste them just like regular text. Want to tweak how a word or phrase is pronounced? Synthesia makes it easy with the pronunciation tool. Here's how. Highlight the word or phrase you want to adjust. Then either click Pronunciation in the floating menu, right-click and choose Pronunciation, or click the Pronunciation button at the top left of the script box. Type in the preferred pronunciation, then press Enter. After setting a pronunciation, you'll see a message at the bottom of the editor. Click Apply to All if you want that pronunciation applied everywhere that word or phrase appears in your video.
Let's talk about how to add music to your scenes in Synthesia. Music is a great way to set the tone of your video and keep your audience engaged. Here's how to add music. Turn on the music toggle from the toolbar on the right-hand side of the editor. Choose a track from either your own music asset library or the Soundstripe library built into Synthesia. Use the search bar to find specific tracks and filter by genre, mood, duration, or whether the track is instrumental. Once you find a track you like, click Add to insert it into your scene. Once music is added to your scene, you'll have a couple of control options. Volume, the default volume is set to 10%, but you can adjust it as needed. Looping, if your music ends before the scene does, you can choose whether or not to loop it until the scene finishes. You can also upload your own music in two ways. From the music menu inside the editor, just click Upload Music, or directly from the library page, so your music is available across all projects. Let's take a quick look at how to add scene transitions in Synthesia. Scene transitions help your video flow smoothly from one scene to the next, giving it a polished and professional feel. To apply a transition between scenes, navigate to your video project. On the right-hand menu, toggle the scene transition switch to on. Choose your preferred transition style from the list of options. If you'd like to apply the same transition to every scene in your video, simply click Change All in the pop-up that appears. To share your video with someone else, click the Invite button located in the upper right corner of the editor. Once you share the video, it will appear in the Shared with Me section for the other user. When inviting someone, you can choose their level of access. Full access, the user can comment, edit, and share the video. Can edit, the user can comment and edit but cannot share it further. Can comment, the user can only leave comments, they can't edit or share the video. This makes it easy to collaborate with your team while keeping control over what they can do. Before generating your final video, it's always a good idea to preview it. Click the play button in the upper right corner to launch a full video preview.
This helps you make sure everything looks and sounds exactly how you want it. One important note, during preview, the avatar will not be animated, but all text, scenes, and layout changes will be shown. Once you're happy with your video, click the Generate button in the upper right corner to begin rendering the final version. Before doing that, make sure your video includes the following. A title, this will appear in your Synthesia dashboard and on the share page. A description, this shows up on the share page as well. Chapters, these define the structure of your video. Whether or not you want to include burned-in captions. Captions are created from the scripts you've written for each scene. By default, viewers can toggle captions on or off in the video player. However, if you choose to burn in captions, they'll become part of the video permanently and cannot be turned off. Once everything is checked and you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and generate your video. Your polished Synthesia video will be ready to share, embed, or publish, all without needing any editing software. After you generate your video, you'll be taken to the video overview page. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your video, from edits to collaboration and publishing. Once your video has been generated at least once, you can access this page in 3 ways: from your workspace, under my videos, or from shared with me. Just click on the video you want to manage. From the video overview page, you can see all generated versions of your video. Open the video in the editor to make further changes. View your video analytics. Invite collaborators to view, edit, or leave comments. Publish the video when you're ready to share it. Change the title and description of your video and comment directly on the video, or review comments from others. Once your video is ready to share, the next step is to publish it. Publishing creates a shareable link and an embed code, making it easy to distribute your video. You'll also unlock the option to export a SCORM package if you plan to upload it to a learning management system. Here's how to publish your video. Click the Publish button in the upper right corner of the video overview page. Then click Create Link to generate the public link and embed code. Once your video is published, there are 3 main ways to share it using the Synthesia video player. Let's go through each option. Copy embed code. Generate an HTML embed code to place your video directly on a website or blog using an A-frame. Copy video link. Create a public link to your video's share page, perfect for sending it directly to viewers. SCORM export. Export your video as a SCORM package to upload into a learning management system. This allows you to track learner completion rates through your LMS. To embed your Synthesia video, from the publishing options, click Copy Embed Code, then paste the code into the HTML of your website or blog. It's a quick and easy way to share your content while keeping viewers on your page. To export a SCORM package, choose your export version, SCORM 1.2 or SCORM 2004. Set the completion criteria. This defines how much of the video your learners need to watch for it to be marked as complete in your LMS. Use the slider or enter a value manually. Click Export SCORM to download a zip file ready for upload into your LMS. Let's talk about how to translate your videos in Synthesia to reach a global audience and make your content more accessible and inclusive. Video translation is available only on the Enterprise plan. To begin translating a video, navigate to the video you want to translate. Click the Options menu in the top right corner of the video or under the 3-dot icon. Then select Translate to open the translation panel. You have 2 ways to translate your video. Select target languages manually or upload an XLIF file with your translations. As soon as an XLIF file is uploaded, manual language selection will be disabled, so you can only use one method at a time. You'll also find 2 optional toggles. Only translate script. When enabled, this will translate only the voiceover script. If left off, the translation engine will also translate any on-screen text. Automatically generate videos. Turn this on to let Synthesia generate all translated versions of the video automatically once the translation process is complete. Once everything is set, click Translate to begin. Synthesia will handle the rest, generating your translated video versions in just a few steps. Let's take a look at how avatars work in Synthesia. You can browse a wide range of AI avatars, customize them to your needs, and even create your own custom avatar for a more personalized video experience. All of the avatars available to your account are listed on the avatars page. To preview an avatar and see how it looks and sounds in motion, simply click on its thumbnail. Then click the play button in the preview window. You can also test how the avatar performs in different languages, including English, German, Spanish, Italian, and French, to make sure it fits your project. If you want to create your own avatar, click on the plus Create Avatar button in the upper left corner of the page. You'll have three options. First, the Avatar Builder, which lets you customize the clothing of an existing stock avatar. Second, the Personal Avatar, where you can upload or record a video of yourself or ask someone else to do so to create a digital version of that person. And third, the Studio Avatar, which allows you to upload high-quality green screen footage to generate a professional avatar with advanced production quality. Whether you're using a built-in avatar or creating your own, Synthesia gives you the flexibility to bring your message to life in a way that's clear, professional, and uniquely yours. Let's take a look at the Avatar Builder, a feature that lets you customize the clothing and appearance of select stock avatars in Synthesia. Please note, the ability to add a logo to an avatar's clothing is only available on enterprise plans. From the Avatar Builder page, you can customize the clothing color and, if available, add a logo for branding. If you've previously created custom avatars, you'll also be able to return here to edit or update them. Here's how to customize an avatar. First, select the avatar you want to modify. Next, choose a clothing color that suits your brand or content style. Optionally, you can enter a look name, a label that makes your custom avatar easier to find later. Keep in mind, this name cannot be changed after the avatar is generated. If you're on an enterprise plan, you can also upload a logo to place on the avatar's clothing. You'll have the option to resize, rotate, and reposition the logo as needed. When everything looks good, click Preview to see a short animated preview of your customized avatar. Once you're happy with the results, click Generate Avatar to begin the creation process. You'll be notified as soon as your new avatar is ready to use in your videos. With the Avatar Builder, you can add a layer of personalization and professionalism that aligns perfectly with your visual identity. Let's talk about personal avatars, a powerful way to create a digital twin that both looks and sounds like you and can speak in over 30 different languages. In Synthesia, personal avatars are animated using advanced looping technology known as auto-alignment. This system intelligently detects when your avatar is speaking and when it's silent, coordinating body movements to match the rhythm and emotion of the script. It's the same technology behind Synthesia's expressive avatars, which means you get better lip sync and a more natural voice than typical custom AI avatars. When you create a personal avatar, it also includes your cloned voice, giving your digital twin the ability to communicate in multiple languages while still sounding like you. As part of the process, Synthesia also applies voice isolation, removing background noise from your recording to ensure the best possible audio quality. To create your personal avatar, you'll need to provide video footage of yourself in one of two ways. You can either record yourself using your webcam or upload a pre-recorded video directly into the platform. Once you've added your footage, you'll also need to record a live consent video to confirm that you authorize Synthesia to create your avatar. This must be done live, even if you uploaded pre-recorded footage for the main video. The consent video must feature the same person as in the avatar footage. After recording, you'll be prompted to select a default language for your avatar. This helps guide voice cloning during processing. And don't worry, your avatar will still be able to speak in any of the 30 plus supported languages. If you choose to record yourself in-app, Synthesia will guide you through every step. Click on plus create avatar, then select personal avatar. Watch the best practices overview video, then proceed to the next step. You'll be asked to select your recording language, camera, and microphone. Once ready, click start recording and read the script displayed on screen in your selected language. You'll also have the option to remove the background, which makes the avatar's background transparent, useful for flexible scene design. Finally, record your consent footage, submit your recording, and your personal avatar will be ready in approximately 24 hours. This process allows you to bring your own likeness into your videos, opening the door to personalized communication, branded content, and authentic instruction, all at scale and without the need for a studio. Let's take a look at the Voices feature in Synthesia, where you can record or upload your own voice to use in AI-generated videos. On the Voices page, you'll see all the custom voices currently available on your account. If you'd like to hear how a voice sounds, just click the preview button next to it. When you're ready to create a new voice, you'll have two options. You can either record your voice directly or upload pre-recorded audio. To record your voice, click New Voice at the top of the page. Give your voice a unique name by clicking the edit icon in the top left. This helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple versions. Then select Record Your Voice. Before you begin, you'll be asked to adjust a few key settings. Gender, choose whether this voice will be used with male, female, or neutral avatars. Language, pick from 32 supported languages. Your script will be displayed in the language you select. Microphone, choose which mic to use for the recording. Script speed, select whether the script should scroll at a slow, medium, or fast pace to match your natural speaking rhythm. You can click Start Recording to preview the pace, and if needed, cancel the session to adjust your settings. Once you're ready, click Start Recording and begin reading the script after the countdown. And don't worry, you can always click Record again to restart. Multiple takes are encouraged so you can get comfortable and deliver your best voice sample. Alternatively, if you already have a voice recording prepared, you can upload your audio instead. To do that, click New Voice, give it a name, then select Upload Audio. Choose your file. It must be between 1 to 5 minutes long and under 64 megabytes. After uploading, you'll set the gender and language of your recording. Then click Next to proceed to the consent flow, where you'll authorize the creation of your custom voice. And that's it. Once your voice is processed, you'll be able to use it with your AI avatar to create videos that sound just like you. Here I present a short demo for better understanding. That's all. Thank you very much for hearing. If you have any questions, we will be happy to answer them.